Hi guys, this is the demo of Team 6 Challenge 7 leader election. The basic idea over here is we're trying to emulate a system where people are entering a room blindfolded and calling out their own dynamic IDs. Once everyone listens to all the dynamic IDs shouted out by the people in the room, they have an idea of what the used dynamic IDs are, and based on the smallest dynamic ID, they select a leader. So we're gonna go ahead and connect the first device. The dynamic ID selected by this device is 9, and as you can see, he has elected himself as leader because he's the only person in the room. Upon connecting another device, a new dynamic ID has been assigned to it, and because this dynamic ID is larger, he is going to nominate himself as a non-leader, whereas the one with the smaller dynamic ID is the leader, and so on. If I connect all 4 devices, we can see that if there are dynamic ID clashes, they change their ID and assign a leader at the end of the cycle. As you can see, he is at ID 6. If we push the button, his ID will increase. We're going to make his ID 9. There's going to be a clash. Right, so their IDs are 9, and he was the one to resolve his ID. He selected the minimum available ID and assigned himself as the leader, and everyone else will be assigned as the non-leader. If we press a button on a non-leader, the entire election process will be reset. Everyone will assign themselves new IDs, and if there is a clash like you saw here, they'll resolve it and select the leader and non-leader. The process is still ongoing. So as you can see, they've all resolved their IDs and the leader has been elected. Once again, if I press the button, the non-leader, right, so there you have it. If one of the nodes were to be dropped, say for example the leader in this case, each device now knows that there isn't a leader in the system, and if there is a clash, they would have updated their IDs, but a new leader has been elected, as you can see. So if I drop one more device, the leader's ID is still smaller than this one, so he selects himself as the leader. If we were to add a device to this system again, depending on the dynamic ID this device selects, the leader is chosen. As you can see, since the new device selected a smaller ID, he will now be the leader, and the remaining 2 will be non-leaders. Thank you.